Do your knees ache the moment you wake up? Do your legs feel heavy, stiff, or even numb after standing for a while? If you're over 60, you've probably chalked it up to just getting older. But here's the truth. It's not age that's draining your strength. It's collagen loss. Collagen is the invisible scaffolding that holds your joints, ligaments, and connective tissue together. It keeps your knees cushioned, your ankles mobile, and your steps light. But as you age, your body stops producing enough of it. And the result is pain, stiffness, and swelling that sneaks up on you every day. The good news? You don't need injections or expensive treatments. There are 3 simple drinks, easy, natural, and proven, that can restart your body's collagen production and begin relieving joint pain in as little as 48 hours. And that final drink? Clinical studies show it can reduce knee pain by over 40% and increase collagen density by 24% in just 2 weeks. If you're over 60, don't skip this. Let's begin with the first drink that reactivates collagen from the inside out. Activate collagen synthesis first thing in the morning. You probably have this in your fridge right now. That classic, tangy drink you've had since childhood. But when combined with the right ingredient, orange juice becomes your body's collagen ignition switch. Here's why it works so well. Orange juice is naturally packed with vitamin C, a vital nutrient that acts as a catalyst in collagen production. Without enough vitamin C, your body simply can't turn amino acids into strong, flexible collagen fibers. And that means slower healing, stiffer joints, and more inflammation. Now here's where the magic happens. Add hydrolyzed collagen peptides. Unlike standard collagen, hydrolyzed peptides are already broken down into smaller building blocks, making them up to 90% absorbable. That means your body doesn't waste time. It goes straight into repair mode. In a clinical study at Tokyo University, older adults who took 10 grams of collagen peptides with vitamin C each morning experienced a significant drop in knee pain, all within just 4 weeks. Their range of motion improved, swelling decreased, they could move more freely, and feel it. So how do you do it? Simple. Pour a glass of fresh squeezed orange juice. Skip the store-bought stuff with added sugars. Stir in 1 scoop of unflavored hydrolyzed collagen peptides. Most dissolve easily without altering the taste. Drink it on an empty stomach, ideally within an hour of waking up, to tap into your body's natural morning repair window. You don't need anything fancy. Just a glass, a scoop, and a moment of intention. And if you start your day with this combo consistently, you may start noticing something subtle but powerful. Less stiffness when you stand up, easier steps across the room, and a sense that your joints are finally getting the support they need. This is the foundation, the spark. But next, let's move into a drink that does more than build. It fights inflammation and fuels your body with the amino acids needed to create new collagen from scratch. Let's talk about lemon ginger tea with chia. If your ankles swell after a walk, if your knees feel stiff after sitting too long, this next drink might just be your secret weapon. Because collagen loss doesn't just happen quietly. It's often driven by inflammation. And that's where ginger, lemon, and chia come together in a powerful, restorative trio. Let's start with ginger. This warming root has been used for centuries to reduce pain and swelling. And now, modern science confirms why. Ginger contains natural compounds called gingerols and shogiols that block the production of inflammatory chemicals in the body. Lemon adds another anti-inflammatory layer. It's rich in vitamin C, which not only supports collagen synthesis, but also helps neutralize free radicals that speed up joint degeneration. Then come chia seeds, small but mighty. These tiny seeds are loaded with proline, an amino acid that your body uses to build collagen fibers. They also provide omega-3s and antioxidants, helping to repair tissue and improve flexibility from the inside out. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that ginger significantly reduces C-reactive protein, CRP, a major marker of inflammation. Even more importantly, ginger helps inhibit collagenase, the very enzyme that breaks down collagen in joints. That means less breakdown, more rebuilding. So how do you make this healing tonic? Start with a cup of hot water. Add 3 to 4 slices of fresh ginger and let it steep for 5 to 10 minutes. Squeeze in the juice of half a lemon for flavor and extra vitamin C. Stir in 1 tablespoon of pre-soaked chia seeds. They'll become gelatinous and easy to drink. Enjoy it warm, first thing in the morning, or sip it as a calming midday reset. This isn't just a soothing tea, it's a collagen-building cocktail. Every sip delivers the nutrients your joints are begging for. And when you start drinking this regularly, you may notice something shift. Less puffiness, smoother steps, and joints that don't resist you as much. But if you're looking for something even deeper, something that goes beyond inflammation to actually restore cartilage and rebuild your connective tissue from within, then the final drink may just be the most powerful one yet. Let's talk about AMLA, the collagen booster most seniors have never heard of. Deep collagen renewal, clinically proven. We've ignited collagen with orange juice. We've fueled the process and calmed inflammation with lemon ginger tea. But now it's time for the heavy hitter, the drink that not only supports your joints, it restores them. And chances are, you've never tried it, because 99% of seniors have never even heard of AMLA. Yet researchers call it liquid gold for joint and skin health. AMLA, also known as Indian gooseberry, is one of the most concentrated natural sources of vitamin C on the planet. But that's just the beginning. What makes AMLA truly powerful is its bioavailable combination of stable vitamin C and polyphenols, which not only support collagen synthesis, but prevent it from breaking down. It's like building a house and protecting it from termites at the same time. Even more impressive, AMLA stimulates fibroblasts, the very cells in your joints, skin, and connective tissue that are responsible for producing fresh, strong collagen fibers. And the results speak for themselves. According to a clinical trial published in Clinical Interventions in Aging, seniors who consumed AMLA Extract Daily experienced a 42% reduction in knee pain and swelling, a 24% increase in collagen flexibility and density, all within just 12 weeks. That's not a theory, that's a peer-reviewed result. But AMLA's benefits go beyond collagen. It also boosts leg mobility, especially in people with arthritis. It helps reduce stiffness after walking, and its potent antioxidant profile helps counteract oxidative stress, the kind that builds up in joints after exercise or long periods of standing. So, how do you use it? It's incredibly simple. Mix 1 teaspoon of AMLA powder into a glass of warm water. Add a squeeze of lemon and 1 teaspoon of honey for taste. Drink it on an empty stomach, ideally first thing in the morning. If the fresh fruit is too sour or hard to find, the powder works just as well, and it blends smoothly into water or tea. Some users say they feel lighter on their feet after just a few days. Less crackling in their knees, less morning stiffness, more ease in every step, because this isn't just about relief, it's about renewal. AMLA is the collagen drink that goes deep, rebuilding tissue, restoring strength, and turning back the clock one sip at a time. You've just discovered 3 powerful drinks that don't just mask the pain, they help your joints heal from the inside out. Orange juice with collagen peptides jumpstarts collagen synthesis and sets your repair system in motion. Lemon ginger tea with chia seeds calms inflammation and delivers the raw materials your body needs to rebuild. Amla water reaches deeper, restoring collagen structure and joint mobility at a cellular level. These aren't trends. They're science-backed tools your body can start using today. Here's what to do. Pick at least one of these drinks. Drink it every morning on an empty stomach. Stay consistent for 2 weeks and start noticing the difference. Less morning stiffness, stronger knees, easier movement, and a lighter, more confident step. And if you know someone over 60 who's struggling with joint pain, don't keep this to yourself. Share this video with them. Because sometimes just one simple change, 1 glass a day, is enough to help someone get their mobility back. Thanks for watching. And remember, your healthy, pain-free future doesn't begin with medication. It starts with knowledge, consistency, and one powerful habit at a time.